Tired of rust and corrosion on your metal surfaces? The solution may be easier than you think. Enter FuelEx Rustconverter paint, your knight in shining armor against the relentless rust. Before you set out on this mission, prep work is key. Strip away loose rust, dirt, and grease from your metal surface. You can use wire brushes or sandpaper. The goal? A clean, smooth surface to welcome the Rustconverter paint. With the stage set, it's time for the main event. Apply FuelEx Rustconverter paint directly onto the rusty areas. This paint is no ordinary paint. It houses a special blend of chemicals that react with the rust, transforming it into a stable compound. Whether it's liquid, aerosol, or brush-on, the application method may vary, but the result? A rust-free surface. As the paint dries, it's not just sitting there. It's busy forming a black or dark-colored protective layer. This layer is a barrier, a shield, effectively sealing off the rust and halting further oxidation. Not only that, but it also provides an ideal surface for any additional coatings you might want to apply. Feeling fancy? You can apply a top coat after the Rustconverter paint has cured. A regular paint or protective coating can add an extra layer of protection against moisture, UV rays, and other environmental factors. FuelEx Rustconverter paint is a popular choice for a variety of applications, from ship repairs to automotive touch-ups and industrial equipment maintenance. It's especially useful in marine environments where metal is exposed to moisture and salt water. But remember, while FuelEx is a fantastic solution, it's still crucial to address the underlying causes of rust and consider long-term corrosion prevention measures. Regular maintenance, proper storage, and the application of durable protective coatings can go a long way. So, when you're ready to wage war on rust, FuelEx Rustconverter paint will be your greatest ally. Just remember to follow the manufacturer's instructions, including safety precautions and recommended application techniques for the best results. Say goodbye to rust and hello to a shiny protected surface.